Now the big question becomes, can this crisis still be contained? There are really two paths from here. The first is a contained crisis. In that scenario, emergency stock releases, naval protection, quiet diplomacy, rerouting through bypass pipelines, and market coordination prevent a complete breakdown. Reuters reported that the IEA moved toward what was described as the largest ever emergency oil release from strategic reserves as markets reeled from the crisis. That would not solve the deeper strategic problem, but it could stop the worst case economic shock. The second path is much more dangerous, a prolonged confrontation. If attacks continue, shipping insurance stays prohibitively high, export bottlenecks remain in place, and the market loses confidence in Gulf reliability, then the crisis stops being a temporary spike. It becomes a structural energy shock, and that is where the numbers start to matter in a much more frightening way. If roughly 20 million barrels per day are disrupted and only a limited share can be bypassed, the lost volumes cannot be replaced quickly. That is the kind of shock that turns a regional war into a global economic event. In other words, the real danger is not only the disruption itself, it is the loss of confidence that follows.